This is the easiest way to cook scrambled eggs in a stainless steel pan without them sticking or burning. This method is guaranteed to work every single time as long as you avoid the one mistake that almost everyone makes. First, turn the heat to medium or just below medium. The pan needs to be preheated before you add any oil or butter. If you add the fat before preheating, it will burn by the time the pan gets hot enough. I recommend preheating the pan on medium heat so when it reaches the right temperature, it doesn't immediately exceed that temperature. While the pan is preheating, crack the eggs in a bowl and mix them so the yolks and the whites are combined. After about 2 minutes, test the pan's temperature by adding a drop of water. If the water immediately evaporates, as it does here, the pan is not hot enough. Give it another minute and test it again. You'll know the temperature is right when the water balls up and bounces around the pan. This is called the Leidenfrost effect. The pan is now significantly hotter than the water's boiling point. So when the water hits the pan, the bottom of the droplet instantly vaporizes and creates a thin layer of steam that the rest of the droplet floats on. And as you'll see in a second, this is the key to preventing eggs from sticking. Every video on this topic talks about the Leidenfrost effect, but few mention this next step. After you do the water test, you need to turn the heat way down, all the way to low. If you keep the heat on medium, the pan will get too hot and burn your eggs. After you turn the heat down to low, wait 5 or 10 seconds. Then coat the pan with oil, followed by some butter. The butter adds flavor and helps prevent sticking. It's important to add the oil first because it raises the overall smoke point of the fat. If you put the butter in the pan before the oil, or you only use butter, there's a good chance it will burn. Once the surface is greased, add the eggs. After a few seconds, push the cooked eggs toward the center so the uncooked parts can run to the outside and cook. As you can see, the eggs aren't sticking at all. Continue to gently move the eggs until they are fully cooked, which should only take a minute. And there you have it, perfectly cooked scrambled eggs in a stainless steel pan without sticking or burning. After you do this once or twice, you'll know how long the pan takes to preheat, so you won't need to do the water test every time. If this was helpful, check out this video where I reveal the trick to removing rainbow stains from stainless steel pans. And for more videos like this, click the logo to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.